Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. I'm going to do a quick video on cooking with the Cosori Air Fryer. So I'm going to do a demo in this video. The unboxing was in the other video a while back. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. So the Cosori is a 5.8 quart air fryer. So to eat and live more healthy, I recommend to check this one out. Of course, it's not as famous as some of the brands out there, but you also save some money. So this is a great product, and I have it for a number of months already. It's a very simple product overall. It doesn't take a lot of space. So I have a comparison right here. You can see along the side with a toaster, and I have my other toaster oven as well too. Cleanup is very simple. You just pull the drawer out and just wash it. So that's simple as that. So one thing to note that a lot of parts on this Cosori unit is actually very, very sturdy overall. Although it looks like it's made of plastic, but 100% is plastic. Inside is not. So I'm gonna do a demo here, and sorry for the pictures a little bit vertical. My significant other filmed it. So you could change the different temperature over here. Then there's a manual that comes with this product and tells you how to use it, different recipes as well too. And you can just read this and just press the buttons. So I'm gonna do a demo, and you can adjust the minutes, you can test the temperature and everything you need to do as well too to get to the setting that you want. And there's some preset functions as well too. So we're gonna over here we're gonna cook the chicken straight out of the freezer. You see the blue button, there's only one button that's lit. You hit that button, the unit lights up. Okay, once that unit lights up, then you can set the temperature. So we're checking out the temperature first. Chicken, and that's the recommended temperature and setting. And default set already, just click on that. Simple as that. 25 minutes. You can actually adjust the timer or adjust the temperature as well too. So in your flashes, you can go up and down. Right here we have 15 minutes, and you hit the go button, the play button, pretty much you can refer to it as. Then you got the thing working. So I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. All right, and you actually can pull it out and take a quick look at it as well too. And this is no oil, no extra seasoning or anything that. It's just straight out of the fridge. And then actually it's time to flip it over. Flip the chicken over it. Looks really good. It looks like fried chicken overall. You can see nice crispy. Very crispy. So you know, this whole cleanup, by the way, over here, just throw it in the sink and just get some water on it, then you can wash it. So actually we did this thing again over here. We changed it, but actually there is a feature that actually can alert you to flip as well too. So you can manually flip it. You want to change the time, that's also possible, like we're demonstrating right here. That's how you start it. And with the magic, I'm going to skip ahead again. So if we were to do it the right way with the shake feature, and it tells you and warns you to shake, so shake, you can pull it out and flip it again, and that's the real way to use it. I'll demonstrate that over here. And once it's done, it looks like this. So it's ready to be taken out of the unit. And by the way, it reduces your cooking time with this appliance. So not only that it cooks good, it makes everything more healthy, and this thing looks and smells delicious. So you can see it's very hot. Just be careful when you take it out. It reduces your cooking time, and wherever you cook, it's going to taste a lot better. Chicken for one, definitely. Remember, this one's frozen. It was in the unit itself, and now it's all cooked. So very crispy, nice crunchy taste, and very healthy for you as well too. Here's another view of it. I hope it helps you out. thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.